feel bad. I never asked you how your love life is going.
No. As you know, that was a done deal long ago.
I literally met my mum for all of 2 minutes. Just literally to say hello. She was in town. Thought I'd go say hi, show her my new sunglasses, which you can definitely see my eyes in. And I'm now actually going to head to get my eyes tested because of my work. I look at a screen a lot of the day, and that requires me to have an eye test every now and then. That's what I'm going to do. I'll go head to Boots. I've got to be there in 10 minutes. Let's head there now and see if I'm blind or not. God, it's so windy today. I just had my eye test. I was in there for ages. It's 12 o'clock and it turns out I need glasses. Damn it. I thought I had good vision. I couldn't read the letters. I couldn't read them at all. So they've prescribed me. I think I'm short-sighted. They said, yeah, you need glasses. I was just looking at a couple of frames in there. None that I like. They're all really small. I need glasses. What a bummer. Oh well. And I'm also trying to meet up with mum so we can go get some lunch somewhere. But as usual, mum's not answering her phone. Actually, I have just thought I could probably really do with getting my hair cut. So I'm going to go to the barber's now. It's the best barbers ever. They even give me free donuts. And Krispy Kreme. It's amazing. I just finished at Teddy Edwards, got my hair cut obviously, and there's this shop just behind me, you can't see it, it's all blurred, that I'm going to quickly pop into and grab a sandwich or some sort of food. And I think I'm going to get a bus home because it's so cold right now, it's so windy and freezing when you're not in the sun, that I think I need to get a bus. I'm saying it's so windy today, it's a joke, like it's proper, I think it's getting like 20-mile-an-hour winds or something ridiculous. So I thought I'd just station up, get a little bit of food. I've gone for an Italian toasted sandwich and a green mint tea. I fancied a tea today, I don't know why. The sandwich looks unbelievable. This shop looks something it's called like Baked or something. Bakeout, that's what it's called. I'm now blurry. And yeah, it looks really nice in here. I did try and meet up with Mum, get some lunch, but she's now gone home. This table's really wobbly. She's now gone home and obviously I can't get any lunch with her. Little photo shoot going on behind me here. You can see that these people behind me are taking photos in the street. And then he back to me. I love this lens. I've said it so many times. I love this lens. And I bought an ND filter, so look, I can just change the brightness with the filter instead of having to keep doing it through all the settings. It's so much easier to just do it with an ND filter.
Sorry.
Hello, good day.
Good day. Could you take a photo of us?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, that's for me, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. No, it's fine. Oh, the seagulls.
I'll buy you a new one.
No, don't worry about it, it's fine. Oh, they only got half of it.
Yeah.
Oh, the seagull's got the sandwich. What a nightmare.
Wait, surely.
Yeah, no, don't worry about it, it's fine.
Yeah,
That's
so,
seagulls. Well, welcome to Brighton with the seagulls.
Yeah. We are great. Thank you so very much.
See you later. The seagulls ate the sandwich. No problem. Those people there, I started to film, those people there wanted me to take a photo. They're from like a Swedish newspaper. I don't know if this is going to be okay. The seagulls get this bit. I have no idea. There's food all over the table. But the seagulls nicked my sandwich. That's so out of order. I don't really know if I want to eat this now. There's nobody dirty seagulls all over it. That's so funny. I can't believe seagulls ate my sandwich. Paid a lot of money for that sandwich as well. Oh my god, pardon me, sorry. Decided to get an Uber home. Hello, man. Oh. You burp. You burp.
Wash up after you. I washed all that up.
Obviously, I'm back home now, and I have to interrupt you doing that. And Ellie just phoned me. She has hurt her back, so I might need to go up to the hospital. So I may have to take her up there to get some strong painkillers. Other than that, I'm going to go play squash with Dad, and then head. You can't see, you'll be blurry anyway. Go to play squash with Dad, and there's a bit of a bummer that Ellie's hurt her back. I hope she's okay. She's trying to finish. She's trying to finish work early, so I can take her up there. So my fudger has just called me, and he's around somewhere, so we're going to meet up in town. I'm going to go look in the Apple store because the new Mac's out. I want to go fiddle around with that. Hopefully they've got one in stock. And then next to the Apple store is a glasses shop where I can go look at some lenses. I've got my prescription on me, my personal optician's prescription. And see if there's any that I can get in there for a little bit cheaper than the Boots, because the Boots ones were so much money. Give me Dad. That was really loud. Mum's on the phone. Well, that was long lived. I met up with Dad. I come to town, went into the Apple store quickly, went and looked at some glasses, and then I get a call from Ellie like, look, I've got to go get my back sorted out, so I need to rush out now and go pick her up from her nanny's house, and yeah, I need to go sort this out. I'm really dark.
Help. Hiya. I just wondered, do you offer a walk-in service?
So we've had to come into a drop-in clinic down at Brighton Station because no one could be dealing with A&E nowadays. It takes so long. Hopefully this place could do something. If not, Ellie just said she's going to go home and chill out and try and rest it. Hopefully that's the problem. She's hurting. That place could have helped, but it was like a 2-hour wait, and they said, look, it's just best to call 111, which is like a general NHS health number, and then they send you to the hospital, and then you see a GP there. So I think we're going to do that, and then he's just going to go wait at our house for a bit. I want to go play squash while we wait for Ellie to get an appointment, and then I can take her afterwards. Right, I've made it to squash, or racquetball, whatever you want to call it. And we're heading. Oh, my bottle just dropped. No, I've kicked it. I need to fell off the bridge. And yeah, we're going to go see. I've got the massive tripod today, which I didn't mean to bring. The little one is so much better for in there because this thing takes up a lot of room. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much room. Dad's in there waiting for me now, and I am 5 minutes early, which is good. I thought I was going to be late. Right, this is off. Let's do it.
Tomatoes, lamb, lamb, raw, beef.
Thrashed the old man again, didn't I? Beat him. Injured old man. Injured old man. Thank you. I'll be alright. Was it 3-0?
Yeah.
So I finished up at obviously squash, and I'm now going to head into the gym, which is just over there. It's not there, that's Poundland. But I'm going to head into the gym now, get a workout in, and that's my day, I think. Yikes, just killed my abs. I come out there and I was like crumbling as I was walking. What was that voice I just done? I'm going to head home now and have some dinner because I'm starving, and a protein shake. I didn't bring any protein with me, which is not good. Someone have one when I get in. Everyone is commenting on my newest video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Just saying I love this city, because I do. Brighton, I love you. I love you. I love yous with all my heart and my weary abs. Thank you everyone for your kind comments on that video. There's some really nice comments on there. Someone mentioned about my chalkboard wall. That made me feel good because I spent some time on that trying to figure out what. I didn't spend a lot of time. I spent like 10 minutes, but still, it's a amount of time. Thank you though. So Mum's painted the floor like a pink colour. If you can see there, you can make sense of that. And I've got to have a shower. And somehow I've got to work out how to get in and out of the bath without touching the floor. It's like that the floor is lava game. I've got to do that but getting into the bath, which I'll probably do like this. But it's not ideal because I can't get the floor wet. Did it, managed to have a shower, not a single drop on the floor. So, I think that was my eyes were really wide then. Put these bad boys back on. I really like these glasses. These are what I want to get for like normal glasses. I think I'm going to end tonight's video right here, right now, right this second, with you watching me. So, I'm going to end tonight with a U-Juice bottle because I did go to U-Juice today. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another video. Hopefully soon. Bye.